So I'm going to use the bevel tool here. I'm going to select it and create my cube, and I'm going to use a bevel on the edges. Now it's really important with these edges well, bevel gets really confusing if you use it on verts. So I'm going to select all these edges here, and I'm going to go to edit mesh and bevel. Okay, so what it does, it just takes each edge and it splits it into two and adds a little face in between. Now what I can do though with this is if I go to the history, and I can see here I've got segments. Well, at the moment it's one because it's just added one face in where there was an edge, and it's added in a fraction, which is the distance that this face takes up. So if I go to 0.25, it'll make it smaller, and if I make it 0.75, it'll make it much bigger. So each of these faces gets much bigger. And what I can do is also increase the number of segments. So I can add 6 segments per bevel to make it more rounded, or I can move it on, use 2. So that's the way I would use the bevel tool. And so it's quite good for complex objects, or just adding a level of sort of edge and roundness to things. If I go to, let's have a look, edit mesh and bevel again, so you can see that I'm just sort of creating rounded soft edges on there, and I can go in there, create a couple of segments, and I'll make it nice and rounded. So it's just handy for that kind of thing.